Can you imagine sleeping with that all night? Oh, I'm sorry. Did I wake you up and insult you? Hi. And even awake, she's snoring. Oh, this little girl. Hi, Bree. She's actually asleep. Sometimes she sleeps with one eye open.